Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 13. Our learning goal for today says, I can show numbers to 20 in organized rows. Oh, there's my favorite word, organized. And you know I love to be organized when I'm doing math. The thing is, when we have a lot of something, sometimes it feels kind of like a drag or like not super fun to make it organized. But it can be fun, and it makes counting a lot easier. Like, look at all these apples. I mean, they're all over the place. If I had you count them, you'd have to like be very careful, and you probably want to count at least twice. You can make sure you have the right number. But watch what happens when I organize them. Oh, yeah, see? Oh, that's going to make it a lot easier to count. Let's start at the top, and let's go zigzag all the way down. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very nice. I could even go down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When things are organized, everything's nice and neat and has a spot, and it's a little bit easier to count, right? But also, watch what happens. If I know I have 12 and it's organized in those rows and I add one more, I can quickly see that I have 13 because it's not in the big stacked organized rows. Oh man, I love organizing. Let's try some more. Who can tell me how many apples do you see right there? Yeah, 12. Isn't that funny? I just took the picture we just had and I turned it. And so I had 4 down on the rows, I did 4 across. And then I did 3 down in the rows. All right, so we have 12 there. And, ooh, how many do I have if I take one away? Oh, well, because I knew it was organized in 12, 12, one less than 12 would be what, friends? Good, 11. See, organized rows not only help us to count the numbers, but if we make any changes, it helps us to know those changes pretty fast. Okay. All right, I'm going to let you go ahead. There's a lot here. Go ahead and count and see how many we have. Go ahead and shout it out when you know. Oh, wow. You're fast at counting. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Whew. And what happens if I add more? I added one more. How many do I have now? Yep, 14. One more. 15. One more. 16. Another one. 17. How many now? 18. See, because I had them in organized rows, you can see that I'm just adding one more each time. If they're all scattered around on my plate, I might not be able to see it so clearly. Or if I have 18 and I add one more, now how many do I have? Yes, 19. And then one more, what would that be? Good, 20. Wow, I'm so glad that we're getting good at organizing things because it helps us to see the picture and the number that we're thinking of really clearly. You know, our learning goal said I can show numbers to 20 in organized rows. And you know, we like to do our rows in 5 groups or in 10 groups. So sometimes, you just feel a little wild and you want to put them in different kinds of groups. And that's okay. As long as they're organized and they're nice and neat and nice and straight, that should be good. All right, so this is your extra ticket. I want you to either make me a video and tell me how many apples you see, or I would like you to go ahead and just write the number down and then send me a picture. All right, you should be able to tell pretty quickly because, I'm nice and organized. All right, good luck, friends.